The latest job report from the private sector delivered a surprising twist. Only 54,000 jobs were added in August, a figure that missed analysts' expectations and raised questions about the health of the labour market. But here's where it gets controversial. While some see this as a sign of economic cooling, others argue it reflects deeper structural shifts that many overlook. According to ADP, a leading payroll processing company, private businesses increased their workforce by 54,000 jobs last month. This number falls short of the predicted 65,000 new jobs and represents a significant drop from July's revised total of 106,000 positions added. This sharp slowdown has economists scratching their heads. Neela Richardson, ADP's chief economist, offered some insight. The year started off with robust hiring activity, but recent months have seen growth become highly unpredictable. She pointed to several possible factors contributing to this hiring lethargy, including persistent labour shortages, cautious consumer spending, and the disruptive influence of artificial intelligence on employment patterns. The rise of AI in particular is stirring debate. While it creates opportunities, it also leads to job cuts, as seen in some major companies. For example, Salesforce recently announced cutting 4,000 jobs, attributing the layoffs partly to AI-related changes, stirring controversy about technology's role in workforce transformation. Looking at specific industries, leisure and hospitality emerged as the strongest driver of job growth in August, adding 50,000 new jobs. This sector's bounce back is critical for many workers as tourism and entertainment demand revives. Construction followed with a gain of 16,000 positions, while professional and business services contributed 15,000, and the information sector added 7,000 careers. Meanwhile, natural resources and mining increased by 4,000 jobs, and other services picked up 1,000. On the downside, several sectors faced setbacks. Trade, transportation and utilities lost 17,000 jobs, highlighting challenges in supply chains and logistical adjustments. Education and health services also shrank by 12,000 jobs, a concerning trend given the importance of these fields. Manufacturing declined by 7,000 jobs, and financial activities trimmed 2,000 positions. When considering company size, large firms, those with 500 or more employees, added 18,000 jobs. Mid-sized businesses employing 50 to 499 people increased their staff by 25,000 positions, while small businesses with fewer than 50 employees contributed 12,000 new jobs. This distribution reveals that mid-sized companies currently play a pivotal role in job creation, which may surprise those who focus solely on either large corporations or small enterprises. Wage growth in August was relatively flat compared to July. Workers who stayed in their jobs saw their pay rise by 4.4% year over year, while those who changed positions experienced a higher wage increase of 7.1%, reflecting the premiums some employers are willing to pay for fresh talent amid labour shortages. Adding another layer to the labour market puzzle, the US Labour Department reported that new unemployment claims rose to 237,000 last week. This number was above economists' predictions of 230,000 and higher than the previous month's 229,000 claims, indicating a potential uptick in joblessness even as hiring persists. It's important to note that ADP's figures come ahead of the government's official non-farm payroll report expected on Friday morning. These two reports often differ substantially. For example, the upcoming government data is projected to show a gain of 75,000 jobs in August, surpassing July's 73,000 increase. All in all, the labour market is exhibiting mixed signals. While some sectors show remarkable resilience, others are weakening, and the overall pace of hiring is slowing from earlier in the year. This raises big questions. Are we witnessing a temporary pause, or is the job market undergoing a more fundamental shift tied to technology and economic uncertainty? And what role will companies of different sizes play moving forward? These are crucial topics for policymakers, businesses, and workers alike, and they deserve a robust conversation. Do you think AI's impact on jobs is mostly positive or negative? Share your thoughts below.